Your journey might be tough, but remember, the greatest rewards come to those who don't give up when life gets hard. The key to success is not just talent, but the perseverance to keep going long after others would have quit. You don't have to see the whole staircase, just take the first step and trust that each move will lead you closer to your dream. Greatness is born in moments of struggle. It's when the pressure is highest that diamonds are made. The strongest people aren't those who always win, but those who never give up on themselves. Success is not about being the best. It's about being better than you were yesterday. Sometimes the mountain you're climbing isn't just about the view at the top. It's about the strength you gain along the way. Don't be afraid of failure. Be afraid of succeeding at things that don't matter. You have the power to create a future you're proud of, but it starts with believing in yourself today. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Take the moment and make it perfect.
So, salpak po natin dyan. Ayan. So, nakasalpak na po siya. So, ayan. Ang gagawin natin ay i-attach po natin yung gamitan po natin ito para maging automatic sandal machine dito. Ayan na po. Attach na po yung handle niya. Ayan. Ayan. So, ipi-flip po natin yan. Ayan. Ayan. Gumana na po siya sa pataas. So, gawin naman natin yung pababa. So, ayun na po siya. Medyo gumagana na po. Success po yung natin. Yung ginawa po natin. So, ayan po. Success po yung ginawa natin. Ginawa natin yung automatic. Yan. So, yan lang po yun. Para maging automatic po siya. So, ulitin po natin ulit yung ginawa natin. So, yung ginawa natin yung attachment. Yan. So, attachment for magkaroon siya ng automatic pababa at pataas. So, ito yung ginawa nating adapter. So, tapos na. Katatapos ko lang lagyan siya ng pin. Kaya, ayun, in-attach ko na yung drill machine. So, i-attach natin yan. So, yung pinag-anuhan niya ng drill machine ay hexagon yan. Ginawa kong hexagon para hindi mabilog yung tawag to, yung bakal niya. So, pagaganahin natin ulit. Taas ng pataas. Okay, taas. Tayo taas ng baba naman. Tapos forward. So, ayun po, success po yung ginawa natin sa milling machine. Ginawa natin ng tawag to, attachment para magawa natin automatic. So, yun. So yan po siya. Yan po yung, so isasalang ko lang to sa sa head treatment sa ubin para medyo tumigas ng konti. Mild still. So patitigasin natin ng konti. So yun. So maraming salamat mga kabakal. Ngayon po siya. So success po yung ginawa natin. Ginawa natin automatic yung pataas at pababa. Pag heavy load kasi mabigat pag ginanon mo, inakyat mo sa taas. So ayun, ulit. Yes, sir. So yung adapter niya. So maraming salamat. Maraming salamat and God bless. Bye bye.